The Fiji Trend Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and run the indicator, dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comments section, and then click the OK button. By dragging the indicator onto the chart, an oscillator window will open for us. The Fiji Trend Indicator is a practical tool for identifying upward and downward trends in the market, providing us with buy and sell signals for these trends. This indicator also has an alert panel that sends us trend notifications in the settings. In the input section, there are options available for us. The first part is about the display settings, specifically the indicator's theme or template, which has three options: light theme, dark theme, and custom mode. By selecting the light theme option, a light template is applied to the chart, template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the dark theme option, a dark template is chosen, and by selecting the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. The next section is about the indicator settings, including the moving average period settings, the moving average method settings, and the type of moving average calculation settings. You can adjust these based on numbers. The next part is about the periodic settings, which is set to 11 by default. The next section is a coefficient for the periodic settings to obtain calculations and display trends. You can use this option in this section. Periodic settings, default to 11, with a coefficient for calculations and trends. The office factor between. The next section is a coefficient for the ATR, which is used to obtain calculations and display trends. You can use this option in this section. The next section, the office factor, is related to detecting arrows, which is a number between 0 and 1. By selecting the 1 ATR option, the arrow is not chosen based on the trend, and its calculations are not performed. The closer the number is to 0, the percentage of ATR calculations for identifying upward and downward trends in these arrow sections will be performed. The next section is about alerts, which you can enable or disable from this part. In MetaTrader 5, there's a slight difference in the moving average settings section, where you can select different modes by name. You can choose from options like simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weighted. In MetaTrader 4, these options are represented by numbers, with the number 3 indicating that it's set to the smooth mode. The next part is about the type of moving average calculation, which has 7 options available. In MetaTrader 4, it's set to 0, meaning it's on the close price mode. In MetaTrader 4, it's set to 3, which means it's in the smoothed mode. The next part is about the type of moving average calculation, which has 7 options available. And in MetaTrader 4, it's set to 0, meaning it's on the close price mode. You can choose these modes in MetaTrader 4 based on numbers and change the settings, which means close price mode. You can select these modes in MetaTrader 4 based on numbers and change its settings. Here I'm selecting the dark template, and then I'll click OK. So, dark template has been applied to my chart along with the oscillator window and its calculations. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.